In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can download and install DBeaver and connect to any database using it. It's a database administration / development tool which allows you to connect to almost any database out there. So from your search engine, search for DBeaver and then you'll see an option to download. If you don't see the option to download, just select the DBeaver link and you want to download the DBeaver Community Edition. So go ahead and select download. Once the download is complete, open the executable file. Choose your language and select OK. Select next to continue. I agree. You can choose to install for your current user or all users and then select next. Accept the default and then select next and then select next to continue. Select install. And this will take approximately 2 minutes to complete depending on the speed of your computer. Once the download is complete, select finish. Now let's launch DBeaver from the start menu, right? So I'm seeing it under recently added, so I'm going to select it from there. I do not wish to share data and then confirm. Do you want to create a sample database connection? Let's select yes. And this is what a connection will look like. Let's maximize. To other database connection, select plus. Let's maximize this. And these are a bunch of databases that you can connect to using DBeaver. So I'm just going to select SQL Server from the list and select next. Let's maximize this window. So here you want to provide the server name that you want to connect to, the default database name, the port you're connecting to, choose an authentication type. You can choose the trust certificate and then test your connection. So here it will go ahead and download some drivers, and once the drivers are downloaded, my connection was tested successfully. So let's select finish, and here I have access to my SQL Server database. And that's basically it. For more training, you can check out my Udemy courses. The link is in the description of